Give me a few minutes and I will show you how you can be able to complete and bypass this human verification task right here on Sproutgig. So all you need to do is to identify any of the Sproutgig offer that you want to do. Let's say for example, we want to do this one. Before you do any offer on Sproutgig about human verification, you have to check this place that says 6 out of 25 remaining, and out of that you have to check this one as well. Any offer that is showing this red, then you don't have to complete it. Just go ahead and look for another offer on Sproutgigs. So with this you can be able to make most of your money by earning this 20 cents right here. If you see this one that is showing blue, that means the person have not approved any offer. But this one that is showing red, it says low satisfying task rating. Don't even try to do it at all, because the offer might be very difficult. So have to scroll and see the ones that are either yellow or something, so you can be able to make most of your money. I will be using this power job right here. So if I click here right now, let's complete this power job right here. So this job is gonna pay us $2, and then let's go. I have to scroll down here, and next thing I have to do is to read out the instruction here. This is the link we have to copy, and we have to paste it on our browser. So read out every instruction here. They says complete any offer to unlock. You will get a picture after completing the offer. If the picture is not open yet, kindly complete another offer. Okay, so submitting spam proof will lead to ban. So all these things are just empty threats. Let me show you how you can be able to complete this. Come over to your new browser. I have to go over to your browser here. I have to paste this link here, and next thing is to click here. So let me just review and know what actually is the content of this locker right now. Alright, so this is the content of the locker here, and all you have to do is to click here that says subscribe, and then remember, this is the instruction they gave. They say complete any offer to unlock. So this is the link we copied, and this is the link we pasted right here. But I don't know why this link redirected me to another page. If I paste this link right here and let me check again and see what happened. Okay, so it redirected me to this place. I think this offer is not well organized. All I have to do is to go back and choose another one. Let me just go back and choose another power offer right here, and let me just choose this one. I can just choose any random one here. Let me choose this download image. Okay, so I scroll down. I have to read the instruction here, and the next thing I have to do is to copy this link. This is the link here. Copy, open a new browser. I have to paste. Okay, so after pasting the link, okay, so let's see the content of this link right here. They are showing me the same thing. So all I have to do here, I don't know why it's showing me the same thing, but what you have to do here is to click here that says subscribe. But these offers are based on your country right here. So based on your country is the type of offer you will see. This is my country, Nigeria, and that is why I'm seeing this type of offer right here. But I think it's supposed to show me a place where I can click on verify before I'll be able to come over to this page. But I don't know why it redirected me to this place without showing me the verify button. Okay, so as is my country here, some countries might show you sign up. So the only thing you need right now to do is to click here that says subscribe, just like me. This is the offer here, and the only thing I need to do is to click on subscribe, and as you can see, this thing automatically detects my number, and if I click here that says so confirm here, they will charge me the 50 naira right here, and that's all I need to do to open this offer. Is that all? So in your own case, if it says sign up, all you need to do is to easily just sign up, complete the form, and then you will get access to the locker. But if the offer they show you does not worth the money they're gonna pay you, just like this one, they're gonna pay you $2. If it does not worth it, like sometimes you have to send multiple of SMS before you be able to unlock this offer. But if it does not worth it, kindly exit the offer and then try another one. So guys, if you love this type of content, make sure you subscribe, share this video, like, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.